Hey guys, welcome back to an all new episode of KhanFlicks. Today we'll be looking at the world's first interactive holographic display for play.
Holographic iPad. Great. Another creature I have to compete with for attention.
That's right, G1. It's literally a sphere with an AI system built into it that allows you to go ahead and interact with it. Now, all in all, it sounds pretty cool. It's the fact it's a holographic display of a character that you can talk to and learn and go on adventures with. It's pretty interesting to say. Now, I myself have 3 kids, so this is definitely something that's going to be interesting. Now, it is rated for ages 6 and up, so it'll be kind of here to see how it all plays out. Now, it's currently funded right now, so if you guys want your very own, check out the link down below in the description. And without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox this thing. Alright, so check it out. So this is it. So this says Imagix Crystal Ball. As we kind of rotate it about, it says all knowing and all fun. So it's your new best friend. You can build creativity, you can do storytelling, it can help you with your homework, hence the AI. Language practice, that's interesting. Just chatting as well as routine reminders, kind of like, you know, your little personal assistant. Games, jokes, riddles, and of course there's also a quest. Now over here kind of shows the other characters. So there's 2 different characters. You have both Ellie as well as Ember. One being like a young dragon and the other one being a fairy. Features Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity. It's got a full color air spin display, so it's like a fan inside and it creates this holographic display. If you've never seen that before, it's pretty interesting. And then it's got its own, and then it also features a companion app which we'll look at. So as a parent I can also go and take a look at it. Hence the parental controls, voice activated, and of course 1-year subscription included. So it does sound like it's something you'll have to pay for going forward. Alright, let's open this up. Alright, so step 1, scan the QR code. Step 2, unbox the magic, place it on the table, power on the device, and that's about it. Alright, I'm going to scan that QR code, see what comes up. I'm assuming it's just to download the app. Oh, okay. So this is going to be our quick start guide. So it tells us to download it, place it, power it. It's kind of updating, things like that. Pretty simple. So we're going to download it for our iPhone. Alright, so in terms of contents, pretty simple. Obviously this is just a prototype. I'm assuming going forward it might be a little bit more interactive, but oh, check that out. That's pretty cool. So right off the back, it can be a little confusing, but rest assured, it's the way it's designed that really does make it work. So it's got this fan that spins with these LEDs and it creates this illusion of a holographic display. It's got these interesting looking gems on the bottom. It's got this nice cloth-like material on the back housing a speaker. You have a volume control with physical dials, mic on, mic off, good for privacy. Your USB port, so again 5 volt. And then it looks like there's a button on the front with a dual array microphones. And then it looks like a ring light on the bottom as well. And then these little stoppers to kind of keep it in place. All right, so our power adapter, which just happens to be a USB-C cable. All right, so this will plug in just like this. Let's push the front button, see what happens. Okay, seems like nothing's really happening. Oh, there you go. Oh, look at that. That is cool!
Your Imagix Crystal Ball is now ready to connect to Wi-Fi. Please open the Imagix Portal app on your phone or tablet.
This here is going to be our app, so we'll log in with our email. Alright, so it connects via Wi-Fi, so we're currently connecting to our home internet. Oh! That's so cool!
To choose your character, short press the button to scroll between Ellie the Fairy and Ember the Dragon. When the one you want appears, double press the button to confirm your choice.
Alright, all set and ready to go. I had to mess around with my camera a little bit just to kind of get it to work, but this is as clear as I can get. Now obviously in real life it's significantly more clear. So we can pick our character just like this.
Hey, I'm Ember. Double press the button to choose me. or single press to see Ellie.
So we can single press and we'll see Ellie.
Hi, I'm Ellie. Double press the button to choose me, or
All right, we're gonna go with Ember. Double tap. Whoa, turn red. Cool. All right, so we can see Ember actually on our screen too. Pretty neat. Hey Ember,
Yeah?
how's it going, man?
My fire is just a tiny ember. Could you press and hold the button to give me some sparks?
Okay, sure, let's press and hold the button. Whoa, that's cool.
Whoa! Flames and feathers, that worked! You gave me strength. Thank you, partner. Whew! Thanks, partner. I feel my fire starting to glow again.
This is so cool.
Ember. I remember hatching in the enchanted forest. But then a strange darkness rolled in. When I opened my eyes, I was here inside this crystal ball. I'm not sure what happened, but maybe together we can figure it out. To get my attention, just say, "Hey Ember," or press the button on the base. When I light up, I'm listening. After you speak, wait for me to roar back. If I'm too quiet, you can use the volume buttons to turn up my voice and just say, "Hey Ember," or press the button. And if you hear a little beep, that means I'm waiting for you to say something. We can do all sorts of things. Join me on my quest, play games, riddles, and guessing challenges, or just chat about anything you like. I can help with school stuff too, like math, science, history, geography, or even space. We can make up stories, learn new words, and I'll even surprise you with fun ideas of my own. The more we hang out, the stronger our bond gets. I'll remember what we do together and learn about you as we go.
This is pretty cool.
Parents can always check the app to take care of the crystal ball too. So whenever you're ready, just say, "Hey Ember," or press the button.
Hey Ember.
And let's spark an adventure.
All right. So just keep in mind that this is an actual AI agent built into this particular sphere. So you can talk to it, you can have conversations with it, and it can remember things. Now, with the app control, which we're looking at right now, I do see that there's different health meters and different things like that. So the more we play with it, the more, I guess, he'll evolve and become a stronger character. Now, under settings here, we have device info. We have our software updates, which we have to do, and then the assigned character, which you can also adjust as well. And yeah, I mean, the app itself seems pretty simple. You can always check up on Ember in the app too. I feel like they'll have more going in the future. Now to update, all you have to do is go here, click update now, and you'll see an update screen right over there. Hi Ember,
Yeah?
how are you?
Haha. The brave Ember is ready for anything. What exciting adventure or fascinating quest are we diving into today? Let's spark it up.
I'm actually making a review video on YouTube about you.
That's exciting. Imagine the legendary Messi with his magical foot skills and charm, giving a grand tour of the enchanted forest, all while talking about the fire-breathing adventures of Ember. He could showcase how I create flames that bring life back to the forest and turn boring days into epic quests. I can see it now, and here's Ember, the brash yet brave fire dragon who lights up every story.
Ember likes to talk a lot.
What do you think Messi would be most amazed by?
Go to sleep.
Good night, my friend.
Ah, there you go. He's off. So you can turn him off just like that too. So that's kind of cool. But to turn him back on, all we have to do is hit the front button and he'll come back. There we go. Hey Ember,
What's up?
can you tell me a joke please?
That's a wonderfully curious question indeed. Here's a sizzling joke for you. Why did the fire dragon bring a ladder to the bar? Because he heard the drinks were on the house. Plain tastic, right?
All right, so I've been messing around with Ember for a little bit now, and he's actually a fun little character. Definitely something unique because one, it's an AI system, but it's built into this glass sphere. Now, it definitely gives it a personality. He does like to talk a lot, but it's kind of fun to see how he kind of reacts to everything. Now, I love how they kind of made this. It almost looks like he's actually physically sitting in there. He's looking around. Definitely looks like there's a real character sitting in front of you in the sphere. Now, obviously, as a child goes, this would be the coolest thing in the world, which we'll be trying out with one of my kids and seeing exactly how they feel about it. Now, there is another character here as well. Okay, this time we're gonna
I'm Ellie.
go with
Double
Ellie.
Press the button to choose me, or single press to see Ember.
All right, so this here's Ellie.
A fairy from the enchanted forest. My wings feel so tired. Could you help me? Please press and hold the button to give me some sparkle power.
Sparkle power.
Ah, that feels so much better. Thank you. You've given me new energy.
You're welcome.
I feel brighter already. Thank you for helping me. Hi, I'm Ellie. I remember living in a beautiful enchanted forest. But then a strange darkness came. And when I woke up, I was here in this crystal ball. I don't know what happened, but maybe together we can solve the mystery. You can always call on me by saying, "Hi, Ellie," or by pressing the button on the base of the crystal ball. When I light up, I'm listening. After that, you can talk to me and then wait for me to reply. If I get stuck, you can press the button or say, "Hi, Ellie," again to try again.
So yeah, there's Ellie. Pretty cool. Hi, Ellie.
Yeah?
What's up?
Thanks for checking in. I've been feeling a little faded since I left the enchanted forest, but I'm hopeful we can find some magical moments together to help me regain my spark. How about you? How's your day going?
So just like that, it is literally an AI assistant, so you can talk to it, communicate with it. It's actually more or less an AI companion is the way I would describe it. Now, all in all, so far, from my personal perspective, is that it is a really cool product. I love the fact that, you know, you can talk to it, you can see it talking, which is very important. And then even if you pick it up like this, you can put it upside down, put it front like that. It will still hold that animation still. Now, I like the fact that it does constantly change its movements, and then, you know, eventually it will go back to sleep, and then you can just simply turn it on by hitting that front button. Now, it is quite interactive in the sense that you can have a story with it, you can tell it jokes, things like that. All in all, pretty cool. So let's go ahead and see what my kids think of this. Have it. Overall, a really cool product. Now, it is definitely well worth it, especially if you have kids that are growing up and they want someone to talk to or have an AI assistant. It is literally the future in a sphere. Now, again, you know, it can learn, it can adapt, and then of course it has this essentially character that corresponds with that, and then as you do continue to go with it, it is really neat. So yeah, there you guys have it. Now, if you guys have any questions about it, feel free to comment down below. Otherwise, we will see you guys in the next video. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.